guys, let's do a makeup tutorial. Siyempre, para maganda na skin. First, you just get something. Wait lang guys, where's it? Forgot what. This one. These are my makeup. Just get this. Primer. Where's my primer for face? Wait. Wait, I need to do something. I need to find that. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's start to put them now. Remember that. First, we're gonna use this for over. Wait. No, waiting for this to dry. Let me just put it somewhere. Wait. Did you see my first bag where I said there's a bag watch? It won't take, okay. So you should there. It's okay for face now. Just close. Just put this somewhere. Now let's wait for that. Let's put some of this. Yeah, Unilab. It's for smooth and nice and dry skin. If you have dry skin, you need to use this before using makeup. So after it will be smooth and it will be easy to remove too if you try to use this. It's also a remover and smoother. It makes your skin more smoother. Yeah. Then, now let's waiting for this to dry. It's hot. Want to try and choose here? Shh, joke lang. You need to write the whole, see the whole ones. Because if you don't see it, you don't know how to do it. Duh! First, oopsie, I forgot that. This thing, my makeup, it's been crashed. Yeah. But my baby brother, oh my goodness. I'm just already 9 years old, but I like doing makeup tutorial, and afterwards I literally erase it. Like, I didn't take makeup long because I like doing makeup because I was a model once. Yeah, try to look at my account or my mom's account. If I have an account on Facebook, Althea Samantha J. Gamao. That's the name. Althea, A-L-T-H-E-A. Samantha, S-A-M-A-N-T-H-A. J and dot. Gamao, G-A-M-A-O-A. Oh, yeah, that's it. G-A-M-A-O. There. That's my full name, okay? Let's look at Smooter. There. Smooth, baby. Yeah, you thought I'm lying. Nah. You'll be shocked when you try to use this. Your face will be so smooth. Super, 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 super smooth. If you tried using love to them together, oh no, bro. Bro. You'll be like, I used it for foundation. Moisturize it properly. It's really nice. I tried to do dye on makeup. Let's try to do dye on makeup. Yeah, first I'm just gonna watch the videos. No. And the second part, I try doing dye on makeup, okay? If it's not nice on me. Okay? First, let's use this one. Super Stay 24 hours. Just pump. Later for the concealer. Wow, really blending. Wow, it looks like a filter. It looks like a filter. Look, it's like a filter, guys, but not filter. What if I surprise my dad? This is my face. Yeah, this is nice for your face, guys. Oh my goodness. Makeup! Look, it's totally white, right? Just look this. Is that all? What's that? Oh, it's nice, guys. Is it nice? Don't judge. I forgot to put here. Let's put more. This is just the one face, but we need two pumps, so you could feel up your face. I didn't feel up mine. I forgot to. Oh, I think that's many. Yeah, that's many. Just blend it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What? No way, Should I put nose line, guys? Yeah. For the first time, foundation tried working on me. Try to do like that. You need to blend it first so it will work. There. So you look like a filter. You need to blend it. Like a filter. Like this. Look. I look filtery here. Yeah, this is non-filter, guys. I just literally look filter. Look, it's like filter. Yeah, it's like filter. I enjoy myself vlogging every time. I enjoy you having, guys. Like wow. There, let's try to do another page. Another two page. There. Oh, I think that was three, but that's okay. That's okay. But here. Oh my goodness, my hair has been infected. Just I'll let I'll wait my daddy react on my face later. I think I'm Novat, so I think I have to do part 2 later or tomorrow for my makeup. No, I think kaya ko pa itong mga 50. Whoa! Is this really my face? Oh my god. Look, a filter. So I think this is how they do the Diane makeup. There's nowhere to hide since you close my love. I'm literally mad at myself. I think I did it again. Yes, I think I did it again. Look. If you don't like my makeup, I just say sorry guys, because I'm not good at makeup. And please like and subscribe to my channel and always watch my videos. I literally wanna reach 100% like. If I got 100 subscribers, I will celebrate. Yes, 100 is already big to me. Don't care if I have 100, I care. Literally, you know why? It's the best day of my life if I get 100% up to my subscribers. Because literally, I will be not upset if they get 100. When you're just starting and you already get 100, oh, nice. Does it hurt a bit? Does it hurt? Look at my face, it's like already a filter, guys. Just need to blend. Joke lang. I'm not that rude, but if you're rude to me, nah, I'll be rude to you guys. But if someone comment bash about me, it's okay. If they talk bad about my parents, nah, I will punch their face. No, that's bad. You need to be good even you're getting bashers. Good. Now let's see if we're looking literally filtery here. What should we do next? Do we do eyeshadow? Sure. Just get the brush. I always use. What color should we use? Yes, we use this glittery one. So bagay sa outfit ko. Mag-dressing up ako later. But if I literally look like a filter. Please don't bash me, guys. I'm doing my best to have lovely videos and happy videos. I'm doing my best. So you guys will be happy and don't bash me. Now let's use white. Yeah. My tito here doesn't know that I know how to do makeup. Is it nice? like it, leave a like. If you don't like it, scroll down. I just lang. If you don't like it, it's okay naman sa akin. If you don't like it, because you decide. What will you give me compliment? This is the hard part. It's okay if it's ugly here, just to have makeup. I think that's okay. That's already many. Let's go to white now. Kinda blending now. Burro! It's just many glitters. Oh, yeah, mas kulang lang dito ng pink. Kulang dito, konti pa lang yung pink na nakalagay. Yeah, we're done already here. Just wipe this brush. Later, I'm never putting blush. I don't like blush. It's like ugly at me. First, let's put some eyeliner here. Here. Let's do it like here. After just put here. Look, we need to blend it. We need to blend it under there like that. We need to blend it. What is Philippines? Like Barbie doll. Barbie doll eye. Barbie doll eye. Like a Barbie doll eye. It's like a Barbie doll eye, like you cannot see in the mirror. Ooh, I forgot that my foundation is broken. Oh my goodness, there's more. Oh my goodness, let me just throw this. Am I hungry? A bit. But let's see if it's Barbie doll eye. Oh, that's good now. What should we put more? Lip liner first. O later na tayo mag-lip liner. First, should we put this? Sure. Only here lang because medyo fancy. Yes, fancy. But if you don't have like this, okay, just don't put. But if you have, okay, bala, if you like to put or not. I like to put because my eyes looks nicer. So don't judge me if I always do like this. It's just my personality. Should we put line here? It's hard to put kasi like this. Like it's hard like to do like that. Oh, should let's try the flower thing. Ooh, worse than I thought would go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait until my mom sees this. We should have that in here. Yeah. Just be quick. I'm gonna put the foundation again. No, I don't wanna put foundation again. Wait, did I did this? I'm literally obsessed with foundation. I'm just using foundation now. I'm not putting other things now. Using foundation a lot. Let's do 5. There, so it's literally from my whole face. Because my mom is literally wanna get me ready fast because we're literally going now. But I literally need to do my makeup first. So literally, my mom will like. But I wish you like my makeup. It's already dry. Literally applying again. Oh my goodness. Fast, something fast. Because you're running late now. Your mom. Get ready with me. I won't see the last part. What's this? Oh my. I look like. Oh, I think I put it too many much. Like, let's swallow this. Swallow it. Whoa. No, I don't like just gonna put it. After it totally dry, I need to go quick. Oh, I need to use it pala again. Wow. Totally. Later, this will be my thought for removing my makeup. I didn't remove this already. My hair, I tied it already. So it will be easy to make up. My mom will return school. And my battery percentage. Oh, I think it's still many. The battery percentage. Oh, I have 7 minutes. I have 7 minutes na lang before we're going na. My battery percentage is already 10%. Goodness. I think I put it on my battery. I think I put it too much. I think I put it too much. do mascara, just a little bit of mascara, and that's okay. I think I already have that's okay. It's okay. That's okay. I'm just being real for service. I think it's already done. I just need to put lipstick. Where's my lipstick? Oh my goodness, not today. Oh my goodness, I need to find some lipstick pa. I don't know how to put lip liner, but I think that's okay now. Let me just find some Cannot find any lipstick. Yeah, I found one. Nice color. Here. Lip liner is nice. There. Lip. What happened? Almost done. Just need to do nose line for last. And we're done. Lip line. Just the nose line. My mom said to me, just a technique. Oh, doing a dance with the frack one. Now we're done, right? We need to do this down. What should we make as? I forgot my stuff. The glitter that mom has. She doesn't have the glitter now. She doesn't have the glitter. I think she removed that. That's what I need for my nose line. It's ugly right now, but look at later. I'm gonna do this at transmission because I'm running late. For my dad and they're calling me now. I'm just not going down yet because I'm not still eating. Finally, I'm done eating later. Why do I look good at the mirror? It's ugly the lip liner kasi. I should have put lip liner. Why did I put pa kasi? There, we're done and I'm running late, guys. I'm just cleaning up my makeup now. They're calling me now. My goodness, I'm just ready. My mom's asking. Really putting my nails on. Yeah, I never put that part again. I'm just vlog the remaining time. Bye!